Hey guys, welcome back to another small engine shop episode. Gonna do quite a few today, be releasing them over the weekend I guess. So it's not really a Fix It Friday, it's more of just a fix it. Today I'm going to be working on a Stihl BR200. It's a small Stihl backpack blower. It'll crank up and kind of idle, but it won't throttle up. It won't take any revs or anything. And I think we're going to end up having to clean the exhaust, but stick around and we'll show you what to do. All right, so I'll show you what it's doing. So no matter how much gas you give it, it's never throttling up, and there's not a whole lot of exhaust coming out of it. Talked to the customer, said that they used it idling a good bit, burning some leaves, so I think they end up clogging up the little screen inside the muffler. We'll pull this cover, pull the screen part, and see if it stopped up. So we got lucky on this model. The screen, the spark arrestor, and the muffler is actually pretty easy to get to. Best thing to do is take a 15mm deep well socket, stick it through this black square here. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. That little hex head, nut head in there. You're gonna just, it'll be pretty hard, just break it free and then pull it out with your socket. I already had this one out. And that's what we've got to take out. That's where the exhaust is. And this back piece here is supposed to be wire mesh. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. Yeah. You can see it's completely stopped up, and you should be able to look through the center there and see all the way through it, through the mesh. But this one is just caked up. And they'll do that if you just let them run too long, or you're running too much oil. Run too long idling, I mean, or too much oil. You can take some tin snips, wire snips, and just cut this screen out, but you run the risk of throwing sparks, and if you're blowing around a lot of leaves, that's probably not a good idea. You can buy a replacement, one of these, and thread it in there. You can take some carb cleaner or a jug of gasoline or something and clean it out really well. And I think that's what I'm going to try to do with this one, because now that I know he's burning a lot of leaves, I'm going to see if I can just clean this screen without having to cut it off. Worst case scenario, I'll cut it off, but I'll leave that up to the customer if they want to do that or not. Let's grab some carb cleaner and see if what I can do. All right. So you can see, trying to wipe it off, and it's a little better. You can start to see the wire mesh, and this is the junk that's coming out of it, but I still can't really see through it. This one may be too far gone. And if you're soaking this in carb cleaner or gas, make sure it's dry before you put it back into your blower, weed eater, chainsaw, whatever you're running. You don't want to put straight gas or carb cleaner there. That thing will get hot, and good chance of it catching on fire or something. Running a lot better. So I'm going to wait and talk to the customer, see what they want to do, if they're okay with me taking out the spark arrestor, or if they want me to get a new one. That one's too far gone. It wouldn't come clean. But I'll show you. I think I'll do a little B-roll, I think they call it. Let me blowing some leaves around, see how this little Stihl backpack blower does. Never really used one this small. Used the 600, 700, stuff like that, but This is the little guy. We'll see how it does. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Just let me know. Thanks.